How to sound like Nasty C on Bandlab.
Woke up feeling golly. Woke up feeling golly. Woke up feeling golly.
Hey V, line them up.
Woke up feeling golly. I said thank you God, but why me? God, I'm not even worth proudly. And like I just had the Bible right beside me. Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Yeah, I'm broken, I'll admit it proudly. See, I never thought you'd come and find me. Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? But my demon feel like fighting ugly. Oh, my mama almost let the devil rob me. Can't even recognize a nigga my ID. Ice cold blooded trip inside my body. All my oldest keep the pub beside me. And I call this hoe Mbali. Mbali, 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 Mbali. Yeah. Mbali. Yeah, I'm singing that night, I'm alley. Mbali, Mbali. Mbali. Yeah.